how to book a flight on Air Tahiti Nui. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can book a flight on Air Tahiti Nui. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into the website, just like I've done here. And once you are logged in, you can see the section which says book your next flight. So you have to select your location, where are you coming from, as well as your destination. So ensure you select that. Then select your travel dates. When are you traveling and when are you returning? Okay. Then click on continue and select the kind of trip you want. Is it a round trip, a one-way trip, a multi-class trip? Select the kind of class. Okay. And then if you have a promo code, apply it. Then click on search flights, and flights that fall that are available for those days would be displayed to you, but wait patiently for them to load. All right. Once that's loaded, the next step is to scroll down to see the flights available. So select the one available. Okay. Then scroll down, click on continue. All right. And then you will take it to the next stage. Okay. So just follow through the process, and then you take it to the stage where you have to select your departure flight. All right. So the one I selected was my returning flight. So ensure you select your departure flight as well. Check through the amounts to see the one that you prefer and the timing. Okay, and ensure you check through them well. Check through it very well. And then once you've selected, if you want to modify your flight, you can still do that. But if not, scroll down. Then select the kind of class you want. Do you want the economic semi-flex or flex or premium flex? So for me, I'll be selecting the economic flex. You can see the details about the economic flex. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. All right. Then click on continue. Okay, so you have to select the kind of class for your return flight as well. Okay, so take note of that. And then you wait for the page to load. So you can see the both flights now, your return, your departure. Once you're satisfied by it, click on continue and you take it to the next stage. So ensure you check out details of each of the flights to be sure that you're selecting the best one for yourself. All right. So the next step is the passenger information. So select your gender, select your first name, your last name, select your date of birth, enter it in year, as well as the month and the year. Okay, then your country. Then the next step would be to enter in information like your document number, that is your passport number, the issuing country, the expiration date. Scroll down, click on validate, and then once you've done that, enter in your email address. Okay, and after entering in your email address, you would have to scroll down to the bottom right corner and then click on continue. But due to my location, I won't be able to go further from here because some details are not according to the rules and regulation of Air Tahiti Nui. So the next step would be for you to book, choose certain services like special request. Do you have special request? That is, do you want to choose a seat? Click on that. Do you want to request for a lounge pass? Do you want a priority pass? Do you want special assistant? Do you want to book a meal? All right. Ensure you select anyone that you want. Note that each of the fee of the service is not for free. Okay. Then click on continue once you're done selecting. But if you don't want to select as well, also click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next stage. So this is the payment stage. Okay, so scroll down. If you have a promo code, ensure you apply it here. And then you can see your method of delivery for your e-ticket. You can see the amount that you have to pay, and if you want to add baggages, you can do that. Check through all of this. Then once you're done, you can check the box which says that you are agreed to the terms and condition of Air Tahiti Nui. But before that, you have to select the type of credit card that you want to use to make payment. Okay, so if you don't have any of this card, select other credit card if it's available. If not, you'll have to ensure that you make use of any of this card. Then enter in the card number, the security code, the name. After you're done, move to the bottom part of the screen, click on continue. The money would be deducted from your account, your flight will be booked, and a confirmation mail will be sent to you to your email together with your e-ticket. So just check your email for your e-ticket as well as the confirmation mail after you have made payment, and then your flight will be booked successfully. So you can see how easy it is to book a flight on Air Tahiti Nui. It is so easy and so fast. So ensure you explore this and you are good to go. Thank you for watching, everybody, and have a good day.